The process of making wine in talhas, or clay amphoras, has existed for more than 2000 years, since Roman times. In Portugal, Alentejo is the only region that still keeps this millenary tradition alive. Here, the wine made in such pots, known as Amphora wine, is a rich cultural heritage that is still part of the day-to-day lives of the local people. Making wine in amphoras is as simple and natural as the wine itself. As soon as the grapes arrive to the winery, they are totally or partially destemmed and crushed. This can take place either on traditional slated tables using crushing rolls or possibly by way of more modern electric grape crushers. The juice, the skins, and usually part of the stems are then placed into the clay amphoras, where fermentation spontaneously takes place. Once this process is underway, the cap, the thick mass of pulp and skins, is punched down twice a day with a wooden plunger. This movement pushes the skin down into the must, releasing color and other important compounds. It also keeps the cap from sealing the mouth of the amphora to help prevent the clay pot from exploding. It is important to maintain the must temperature low during fermentation to preserve the wine's aromas. The porosity of the amphora helps, as do dampened burlap or rags that are wrapped around the clay pots. Fermentation goes on for between 8 to 15 days, although it takes a bit longer for the cap to settle down to the bottom of the amphora. There, these solids will act as a natural filter when the wine is drawn off. The opening of the amphoras is a special moment throughout Alentejo. It traditionally takes place on the feast of Saint Martin, November the 11th. The batoque, the cork stopper that seals the opening near the base of the pot, is removed, and the clear filtered wine is either drawn off into a clay basin or it's served directly into a glass. The rest of the wine is then either transferred into smaller pots, bottled, or served directly from the original amphora by replacing the batoque with a wooden spout. Amphoras are unique to this region, and the local amphora wines are unmatched. Brimming over with character and with identity, they are an inseparable part of the bountiful cultural heritage that can be savored in Alentejo. Wines of Alentejo, naturally unique.